Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. I feel like I haven't filmed a video in a couple weeks. I think that's right. My last video I did was a hack for this magnetic eyeliner trick. If you haven't watched it and you have worn magnetic eyelashes before, I suggest you check it out. The company contacted me, which is crazy, but one of their customers saw my video and then told them about it, and so they contacted me, and now they're going to be sending me their products. It's magnetic lashes with the actual magnetic liner that I saw in an ad, and so once that comes in, I'll be filming a video for you guys. I just wanted to give a little update. We have totally moved into our new home, but we are nowhere near to be like unpacked or any chance that anyone can be invited over because we are still living amongst so many boxes. It has been a crazy couple of weeks, and I had these visions of moving in. All of our boxes were labeled, everything was going to be in their place. It was going to be so easy to unpack everything, and it was going to be super easy to get our house in order. That has not been the case. It is a little chaotic here, I'm not gonna lie. However, it's not that bad. Every single day since we moved in, we have been unpacking, we have been cleaning, we have been dusting, we have been doing more renovations, but everything is close to being done. All of the bathrooms are done. We are so happy with the paint colors that I chose. It could not have worked out better because after I was swatching color after color, maybe like 12 paint colors, I'm not joking, I finally settled on the downstairs. All the downstairs rooms are all the same color, and then upstairs we went with a different color for all the bedrooms, and then the kids' bedrooms have accent walls. So I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of what I have been doing throughout the house in these last few weeks. You'll see me cleaning, unpacking, cleaning more. We are going to be decluttering, speaking of which, and sending everything off into Goodwill, and they're going to do a pickup in about 2 weeks, which is going to be really nice. The kids and I have been going through all of the boxes with toys in them and separating ones that we want to donate, trashing anything that's broken or missing, and then also saving some things that we know our friends are really into. My daughter is now 5.5, and we have some friends that have 1 to 2 year old little girls that are really into dolls and Frozen. My daughter had everything Frozen. That was her life for a couple of years, so we are so happy to see those toys go on to another little girl who we know is going to love it. We've been getting rid of some just like miscellaneous things that we didn't use in our old house for years, and so I have a donation box set up in the kitchen and also upstairs, so anytime I see something that isn't going to be used in our house, I just throw it in the donation box, and then we're going to put all of those outside. I also wanted to announce that I will be starting to post my videos for my 12 days of Christmas, my 12 days of giveaways. I don't know if I'm going to do them back to back or every other day. I do want to do it well before Christmas, but I will be posting about my giveaways also on Instagram, so that if you aren't getting any updates on YouTube, but you are on your Instagram daily, then at least you'll see that. So be sure to follow me there. It's Pretty Casual Coco. And so the space that I'm sitting in right now is actually my office space, beauty room slash playroom, because the kids, whenever they're home, they're always by my side. So I want to make this room very functional for them and not have them feel like they couldn't touch anything. It is nowhere near being done. I've got this cool mirrored shelving right here that we got from IKEA that's going to match my desk right here, but obviously it's not built yet. I'm going to pick up a huge mirror from hopefully Hobby Lobby, because I feel like they have a really great selection there that you can get either with a discount, either a promo, they're 40% off, or they're always having sales in their stores. We try to get a bunch of stuff for the house on Black Friday. We bought a bunch of curtains and some other things, furniture and such. So we got some really cool deals. I'm so excited about this table that we bought from our house. They have this marble table there that we've been looking at. I think it was like 6 months ago we saw it, and maybe it was like 3 months ago, because I swear we saw it on my birthday and my husband wanted to buy it, and I said absolutely not. We hadn't even moved into this house yet, so we didn't know if it was going to complement the paint. It is beautiful. Now I have to find some chairs to go with it. We also want to buy a bench on one side. I always just wanted that. I cannot wait for this space to be exactly what I visualize. I have been pinning the crap out of inspirational photos for beauty rooms and kind of like office slash playrooms. We just decorated our Christmas tree last night. I obviously wanted to take the time to make it, you know, look really beautiful in our new home. But with 2 kids, 2.5 and 5.5, I just pretty much let them decorate the tree however they wanted. Obviously my son, 2.5, can only reach so high, so he put like clusters of ornaments on the tree, and it's so adorable. So I'm not gonna move them. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. And one side of the tree is fully decorated. The other side of the tree is totally bare. So I put some remaining ornaments that I could find that they didn't put on the tree yet, and I put them on the back there. It was really fun. That was something that we all looked forward to this whole year, especially since we knew we were going to be living in the house this before Christmas. We were super excited about decorating. I don't know if you follow me on my Instagram, but I do post a lot on my Insta stories, especially stuff with the house, because it's just so easy to pick up the phone and do an Insta story. So if you want updates on the house and just daily mom life, follow me on there. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, because I will be posting my very first 12 days of Christmas, 12 days of giveaways very soon. That is it for this video. I hope you guys had a really great Thanksgiving, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!